first day in Germany. Oh wow, I have to pay 35% income tax here? That's crazy!
1 week in Germany.
And then they put 19% VAT on everything? That means I pay almost 60% of my income in taxes? That's way too brutal!
1 month in Germany.
Okay, all these taxes are making society better. Free education, infrastructure, helping refugees.
1 year in Germany.
I feel sick.
5 years in Germany.
Wow, from all the taxes I paid the last 5 years, I could have almost bought a house? This is straight up slavery.
10 years in Germany.
Taxes? Only poor and stupid people pay taxes. Switzerland, baby.